So this is 2014 Ford F150 XLT 5.0. Okay, this is the 5.01 liters engine. So we will be replacing upper control arm, because as you can see in here, see that the ball joint is already broken, the rubber is broken, so the dust will penetrate in here and it will dry up, and it will cause clunking sounds right there. So basically we will be attempting to just remove those two bolts in here, one in here and another one in here, without removing the strut. That's what we are going to do, because as you can see in here, the location of the bolts, it's inside right there. See that right there? So it might hit that thing, this strut. See the bolt head right there. Okay, actually I'm already starting to loosen it. I'm using 21 mm ratchet. It's not that tight. Okay, I can do it by my hand. Okay, I'm just gonna loosen everything and then I'll show it to you after. Alright, so everything is loose, including this one. So don't remove the nut yet, because we're going to loosen this. And this one is already loosened. Same thing with here. If you can see, we can even move this. Look at, right? That's why we can remove the nut. That's the nut right there. Something in here on the other side. Oopsie, it's kind of dark in here. The flashlight right there. Okay, then we can push this. Look at all right, now the way we loosen this is we'll be using this technique. Okay, see it? Okay, I'm gonna insert one of this. Then I will be using this one. Then hammer it. We need a bigger hammer. And now let's hammer it and it will separate. There you go. See that? See the gap right here. Good. Now we can leave this thing in here, I think, or we can actually push it out. Go. Now we can remove this. Oh, that's fine. Just gonna get a best grip, then so we can remove this. But anyway, let's remove some of this bolt. Okay, so let's start to remove the first bolt. So we'll be using a small chisel, put in here and push that bolt right there. I'm right-handed. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's hammer it. Now, as you can see in here, it touches this. I hope you could see it over there. There's not much right there. So that bolt hit this coil. So what we are going to do is get a jack. So we will jack this a little bit so that we will be having a space. Okay, like that. See that? Okay, we will jack this. All right. Over here. So the reason why we are jacking this one is that this spring will move a little bit going up, then we will be having a space so that we can push that bolt out. Okay. Alright, so after a couple of heating, as you can see, there's the first bolt came out right there. That's my chisel. That's the chisel. Now let's chisel the second one. You can also use a pry bar just to push it like that. But I really think we don't need that chisel anymore. You can just look at that. Second one. Now we can remove this. There you go. Alright, but it's already bone dry. Okay, let's pick up the new one. Let's compare it. Alright, looks the same. Okay. Alright, let's just put some lubrication on the sides. This over here and over there. Alright, let's put it on. Perfect. I think we should put this first. So let's align this one using our chisel. There you go. Now we can, you know what, just lift this up like that, and let's put this, hold on. There you go. It's in. Look at that. Now I'm just gonna push it. Okay, in pushing this bolt, we'll be using this long fiber. We'll put this on the head right here. Then just tap it here, and it will push that bolt right there. Nice. Look at that right there. That's the head. It's almost in, right? A little bit more. Alright, see that head right there, and you can see already the end of the bolt right there. Now we can put the bolt. Just gonna push it by hand. Let's get one of this bolt. And put it on, just to hold it. Now, second one right here. Okay, so same process. By hand right there, and then we will be using this, so it will go like this. Then tap this one and it will push it. It takes a couple of minutes, but it will work. Okay. Okay, it's in. Alright, it's in. Let's tighten it. Oh boy. Tighten it. Okay, it's done. It's tight. All right, that's it.